Okay, you guys, I got cut off again, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up. I did have a boo-boo, and I wanted to show you about the boo-boo. Let me tell y'all something, though, about these 3-wick candles. That is so strong. Y'all, 3-wick candles are so strong. That's the only thing. Can you even see the flame? What if I push this back and let this sit down some? Now, can you see the flames? It's very pretty. It's got the little mountain on the side. This is the Waikiki, what's it called? Beach Coconut. There's the title, actually. And you can see this beautiful mountain. And it goes into... That is not what Waikiki looks like on the Waikiki Beach side, though. That's the flip side of the mountain that's all green like this. And Waikiki Beach doesn't look like that. It's got all kinds of buildings. But anyway, so I had a boo-boo. So I went ahead and got my Face Secrets. I really use these a lot, y'all, which means I boo-boo a lot. But it's got 50 applicators in this little cute little container, and they're dual-ended. One end is got point, the other, it looks like a Q-tip like that, but when you turn it sideways, you see it's flat. Okay, so you can get under lashes real easy. You can get in a little section real easy that's with that little teeny point. And I did have a little, there, I got it. Yep, and I have no other boo-boos because I don't make them. I just said I use that stuff up. Okay, and so we're using the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes, and I've put 2 coats on, and y'all, I gotta say, it did dry really fast. And the good thing about when it dries really fast is it tends to make the curl stay. I don't think I did this one twice. Or did I? There. Let's do it this side too, just to make sure we have... I love excess mascara. I don't know about you guys. I love it. I love having extra on there. Okay, I feel like this really is a good mascara, y'all. You can tell I'm a huge fan of Charlotte Tilbury in every way. I just like all her stuff. And if I'm not going to use a waterproof, I wish you'd have a waterproof. I was going to use this Maybelline Rocket Volume Express, but, and I also need, what did I do with that little tip? I did a boo-boo up there. Did I get it? There. It didn't want to come off. It didn't want to come off. Same thing there. And right there. These are just little, I think those were, the best thing to do when you've got a little fallout, upper fallout from where I did the brows earlier, is use a dual-ended brush. This is dual-ended. What that means is, dual fiber, sorry. It's thicker on the bottom and thinner when these longer brushes come through. And so it makes them very bendy, and they can just flick something off without adding pressure and rubbing it in. So you can just flick off underneath where you had any fallout either side of the nose. Or under here, or up here when you do brows. That should be it. My cloth fell again. Okay. I'm going to see if my little monkey feet can bring this up again. Alright. Okay. And now I also dropped the Emily Edit makeup palette. Oh my gosh. I did it. Me and my monkey feet. Okay. So this is the palette that I used. Again. I forgot the girl's name, but this is called the Emily Edit, and it's called The Needs, N-E-E-D. And I'm sure there is a story behind this. I don't know what it is. But I love the names. Again, they are nice names. They feel like a Bible story. It's joy, courage, faith, honesty, hope, love, peace, passion, kindness, and gratitude. So I made the decision, this is the look that I have from this palette, and I've made the decision that this is going to be the palette that I'm going to do for the Bible giveaway, because I always do a little makeup too. And so if you don't wear makeup, a couple of you have said, I don't do makeup, but I love your Bible studies. Thank you for continuing to come, and please subscribe. And do like the videos that you like, because that does tell me something. But even if you just use a touch of this, I obviously use, on my eye look, I always have a highlighter or transition, a darker color out here, and usually I'll use the highlighter on the inner corner and the lid. You don't have to do all that. Also, This blush is very peachy, and I added some of the pink shadow, the Honesty right there. I added that kind of right through here to give me a more of a pinky look, because I like pink more. That's my favorite look for blush. Peachy pink's okay, but I like peach. I mean, not pink, the best. I used all Sigma brushes today, and I do that a lot. I need to go and look at their affiliate program and just be honest with you guys that I might become an affiliate, because I promote them, as you know, excuse me, all the time anyway, and why wouldn't I get a profit for it? Why wouldn't I say, you know, because the affiliate program is, if you promote their brushes, I think they give you a little cut when someone buys them. I don't know that y'all buy their brushes. You should. Wait till I become the affiliate. I really need to do that, because I am almost exclusively Sigma Beauty brushes that I use. I have tons of others. I will tell you, I have a ton of IT cosmetic brushes. Mainly, I liked them in the beginning because of this incredible density. This is from the Luxe line, Velvet Luxe line. But it was so dense that it was really hard to clean. Almost impossible to clean, so I had to buy a new one. And they're very, this particular one, this is the 301 Velvet Luxe Buffing Foundation Brush. Amazing. And then, you know, at the holidays, I always get the little sparkly ones. Y'all know on the last giveaway, I did even more sparkly ones for the kind of New Year's Eve winter one. These are great brushes, though. Great brushes. I love them. And then there was, so that, this was the, I think this was the Brilliant series. It's like silver glitter and it's white on the bottom. And then I also did the Chic set, and it's kind of like a blush top at the top of the base, and then it goes down to clear. And I like all of them. And the rest of this is Sigma, except for one. This is a Morphe, from my Morphe Jacqueline set that I bought. The first one, she said like 2 now. I know, they're trying to milk it for all they can, because that's how they're going to make money. And you know, beauty doesn't last forever, so she better make all the money she can while she's young and beautiful. Did I just say that? I'm just being honest, it's the truth. I see little fuzzes on this. That must have come off. Oh, it's a different one. I always had these little, yeah, it is a different one. These little spoolie brushes, because they get fuzzes. Like, I have 2 little white dogs, so sometimes I'll be like, what is in my eye? And I run this through, and out comes a little hair. Or sometimes it's fuzzes from a blanket or something. So, again, those of you who've asked me, where did I get this brush holder? This is from Shop Glitzy Glam, and you can have your initials put on. So I did it, and they send you the brush holder with the beads, the clear beads. Matter of fact, I think you can do different colors, but I just wanted plain. So anyway, there's that. So this is the final look. What do y'all think? Do you think this is a good look? Again, that is the Emily Edit palette. It's a palette. Oh, what is that? Did I sound kind of like a parrot just then? I kind of thought that I did. I'm not going to try again. Okay, so, and again, I do highly, highly suggest this. I don't get any sponsorships, so don't think, oh, she's just promoting. No. These you will use so much. It's just, I think I got these in the tools section at the drugstore. You know, where you have like eyelash curler and tweezers and stuff like that. And these were there. And I was like, I will use those. And I do. I use these so much. So I think that's it. Oh, if anybody asks the name of this fingernail polish, I have people ask me this all the time, every time I wear it, because it makes my hands look tan and I'm so white. But it's a great spring, summer, especially summer color. And this is from Floss Gloss Pro Nail Lacquer. It has this beautiful top. Reminds me of Estee Lauder's fingernail polish. And the color is Baby Baby. FG031. And I'm going to get some more, because these are like the tiniest little containers. But the brushes are flat and they're really well made. There's not a lot of them, so it's very easy for it to just spread over your nail, and it makes it so easy to paint them. It dries pretty quick, so you can put on 2 coats, and then when I'm through with the 2 coats, I've gotten to where when it's fully dry, after about 10 or 15 minutes, I go ahead and use the Platinum Grade Finish Gel Top Coat. gel, if you'll notice, Essie's normally are like little rectangles, and these are twisted rectangles. So that's the gel ones. And this is just a top coat. And so once I do my color, I am using top coat just so I can make it last just a little bit longer. Is that broke? I have another broken one. Is that broke? Is that broken? Is that broken? Also, one of the things I'll show y'all that I've been having to use a lot lately is one of these multi-sided, you can get these at the drugstore, multi-sided nail files, because it starts you off just with like a rough, coarse grid, and then it's medium, then you even it out, then you smooth. Oh no, I'm sorry, there's fine grid, then you even it out, then you smooth, and then there's a buffer. There, shine the nail and then buff the nail. So this is really good to use because sometimes I'll have something rough and other times it's just I need to smooth the ends. So it is good to have these. They do not last very long. I mean, it uses up the sandpaper pretty quickly, and these are not cheap, but it just has everything you need on one. And ever since I don't have false nails anymore and I'm using my own nails, I have to constantly deal with them. But I'm allergic to false nails. I think the glue, so I can't use them anymore. I keep hoping maybe I'll try again. What do y'all think? Should I try one more time? Just take my EpiPen with me in case I have a reaction. And then, of course, you want to put some lotion on it. I showed y'all this. Since we have a coconut going here in the background, this is from Bath & Body Works, the Shea Butter Hand Cream, and this is in Waikiki Beach Coconut. So after you do your makeup, you always want to put a little bit of hand cream on, right? Because you don't want your hands to look awful right after you made sure your face looks perfect. Okay, so when my husband gets home tonight, we will be picking and announcing the winner, and then I will do the new spring summer giveaway. So we're going to do the winter giveaway, winter giveaway winner, and then the announcement of the spring one. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again soon.